Estimating the wavelength of a monochromatic light using a double slit. Set up a ray box with a vertical filament. Place a double slit in front of the lamp. Attach a red filter to the double slit. Put a traveling microscope 1 meter away from the double slit. Use the traveling microscope to measure the distance between 5 successive bright fringes. Estimate the wavelength of the light. Repeat the experiment by attaching different color filters to the double slit. Which colored light has a smaller wavelength?